Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have the smooth transition real edits using CapCut. So if you want that smooth, seamless transitions in your Instagram Reels or TikTok videos, today I'll show you step by step on how you can create professional looking transitions using CapCut. Even if you are a beginner, plus I'll show you how to fix common problems along the way. So first you can just start a new project on CapCut. So open CapCut and tap on new projects and choose your clips and make sure they are aligned in the order you want your transitions to flow. And the second one, you can trim and arrange clips. So trim your clips so that each one ends where the transition will happen and keep them short and snappy for a smoother effect. Like this, for example, I only have this short clips. And next, add transition. So you can just tap on the white box in between the clips and choose the transition effect. So I recommend using camera roll, spin, or pull in for dynamic results. Here I'm going to just use this pull in transition, and you can adjust the transition to make it smooth. Click on the check icon, and here you'll see or preview the result first. Okay, you can see that we'll have smooth transition just like that. And you can also do manual keyframe tricks. So for even more control, you can manually animate using keyframes. You can add one at the start of the clip and the other one at the end, just like this. And you can scale or move your footage slightly to mimic camera movements. So let's say I'm going to just go with zoom in like this. So you'll have this kind of effect. And if you want to fix a transition lag or glitch, so if you got a laggy transition, you can try these fixes. You can delete and reapply the effect. So click on the transition first, and here click on none first, and then you can click on a check icon and redo the transition. So click on it again and choose the transitions that you want, and make sure the app is updated. And you can also try to clear the cache from CapCut settings inside the app. And you can also sync with music. So if you want to hit harder, you can add music and time your transitions to the beat using split and zoom tools, and it really brings your edit to life. So done, you can just tap on export, and you can choose 1080p and 60 fps so it's perfect for uploading to Instagram or TikTok. That's your beginner-friendly guide to smooth transitions in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye!